Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 20 lines on my best friend. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, true friendship is a divine quality. Second line is, I am lucky enough to have true friend in Rakesh. Third line is, I value his friendship. Fourth line is, he is really a true friend. Fifth line is, Rakesh has many qualities of head and heart. Sixth line is, he is an ideal student. Seventh line is, he is very punctual in coming to the school. Eighth line is, he is very polite, good-mannered and sweet-tempered. Ninth line is, he always tries to learn from others. Tenth line is, he is always helpful to others in his time of need. Next line is, he is a very good player of cricket. Twelfth line is, he has won many trophies in inter-school and district level cricket tournaments for the school. Next line is, he is a very good debater too. Next line is, he had taken part in the inter-school debate competitions. Fifteenth line is, he is a friend in need. Sixteenth line is, he is a great help to me in my studies. Seventeenth line is, he also teach me a lot of things. Eighteenth line is, he has been with me through my thick and thin. Next line is, all these qualities of Rakhi him an ideal friend. Last line is, I am proud of him.